Hi, this is the Huawei MediaPad T5 and I'll show you how to turn on always on display option on this device. So first we should open the Play Store app because unfortunately we have no installed by default AOD option. That's why we should get the application from the Play Store. So in the search pool enter the Muviz Edge, and now we should get this application. So tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. So after that just tap to open the app and here click to AOD section, select one from the available tabs and click to apply. Just now let's lock the device. Twice to the power key button, press twice power key button and we could see that the AOD option successfully enabled. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe.